By now, you've probably seen talking avatars in many videos. Sometimes it's just an AI-generated photo, and you've likely come across videos where that photo appears to be talking. In this video, we're going to look at how to generate videos like that. We're not going to talk about just one platform. We'll cover several platforms here, so try them all out and use the one you think works best. Also, all the platforms mentioned here can be used for free, so give them all a try. First, open any browser. Once you've opened a browser, our first platform is called DreamFace app. If you search for DreamFace app on Google, you'll find the website dreamfaceapp.com. Open it, then click on Start Now. Sign in using your Google account. After that, you'll see an option called Avatar on the side. Click on it, and you'll find the option to upload your avatar photo. Before that, there's one thing I should mention about creating avatars. You can create two types of avatars here. You can either upload your own photo, and that's all you need to do. But if you want to generate an AI photo instead, go to applications like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, or Grok, and ask them to create a good prompt for you. When asking for a prompt, there are a few things you should pay attention to. First, assign a role. Tell the AI that it's an experienced prompt engineer with 5 years of experience. Then, ask it to prepare a prompt for generating a talking avatar photo for a talking avatar video. That's the second thing. After that, provide as many details as possible. Mention what you want in the background, how the person should look, whether you want a male or female avatar, the facial features, and as many details as possible. Even the background should be described in detail. One more thing. Tell the AI to ask you any questions before generating the prompt. That way, if you've missed something, it'll ask you before creating the prompt. Once it asks those questions, answer them and press Enter. It'll generate a prompt for you. Then, download the photo created from that prompt. That's the photo you should upload here. Anyway, you'll see an option called Photos and Videos. Click on it, then upload your photo. For this example, I'm uploading my own photo. After uploading, you'll see two options, text and audio. If you want to convert text into audio, just type the text here. Once you enter your script, it'll automatically be converted into audio. If you already have an audio file, select Audio and upload it from your device. I'm clicking on the Upload from Device option and uploading this audio as an example. You can decide how much of the audio you want to use. Select the parts you need. After that, scroll down and you'll see a few options. There's a resolution option here. Full HD resolution is available only with the premium subscription. Otherwise, you'll get HD resolution. Anyway, you'll see the Generate option. Click on it and the video will start generating. Wait for a while. As you can see, the video has been generated. It also includes audio. However, there's one thing. You'll see their logo on it. If you want to download it, click the Download button, and the video will be downloaded to your system. So that's the first platform. The next platform is called Wavespeed. Go to Google and search for Wavespeed. Once you search, you'll find the website. Open it and sign in using your Google account. When you sign in, you'll receive $1 worth of credits for free. After that, you'll see an option called AI Generator. Click on it. Then, on the side, you'll find an option called Avatar. Select it. Once selected, you'll see several AI talking avatar models. You can try out different models from here. In my opinion, Infinite Talk is a pretty good model. Longcat Avatar 1.5 is also a good model. For now, I'm selecting Infinite Talk. You can choose whichever model you like and try them all out. First, upload an image. Just like before, I'm uploading an image. Now that the image is uploaded, upload the audio as well. Click the File button under Audio and upload your audio. I'm uploading this audio as an example. After uploading the audio, you'll see how many credits it will consume. You can check that here. There's also an option called Mask Image. If you want to add mask images, you can do that as well. After that, click the Generate button. The generation process will start. I've already generated one earlier, and the result is available here. Let's check it out. As you can see, the result is quite good. Even the hand movements are generated pretty well. If you want to download it, click the Download button, and it'll be downloaded. That's the second platform. The third platform is Adobe's platform. Search for Adobe Firefly Avatar. When you scroll down, you'll find Free AI Avatar Generator, Adobe Firefly. Open the Adobe website. Once opened, click on Create an Avatar. This will take you to the avatar creation page. First, sign in using your Google account. After signing in, you'll see the Create New option. Click on it. From there, you can select the avatar and other settings you want. There aren't too many options available. For now, I'm selecting this avatar. If you want to change the avatar's background, you can change the colors here. You can also add images if you want. Additionally, you can choose the avatar's accent here. Once that's done, paste your script. Then, click the Generate button. When you click it, the avatar will start generating. However, there's one limitation here. You can't upload your own photo as an avatar. There's also no option to upload audio. The video has already been generated here. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. The result is actually quite good, but you can't upload your own avatar. The next platform is HeyGen. This is probably one of the most popular platforms for avatar creation and is currently one of the leading models. You also get some free generations with HeyGen. Search for HeyGen and you'll find the website. Open it and sign in using your Google account. Once signed in, you'll see a button on the side. Click it and then select the avatar option. You'll see many avatars here. You can choose one of them, or if you want your own avatar, click on New Avatar and upload your photo. I'm clicking on Create a Virtual Character and uploading a photo.
I'm uploading this avatar here. Then enter the name and other details and click Create. Now the avatar has been uploaded. If you want to generate a video with it, you'll see a play button. Click on it and then choose Build Scene by Scene. After that, you'll get the option to upload your audio. If you have a script, you can upload that instead. You can also select a voice here, but I'm uploading audio.
To do that, click Upload Audio, then click Upload File. After that, upload your audio file. I'm uploading this audio as an example. Once that's done, click Add Audio. Then select the model. I'm choosing Avatar 5. After that, click Generate. You'll then see a Submit button. Click it and the video generation process will begin. Wait for a little while.
Let's play the generated video. As you can see, the result is quite good. However, one thing to note is that it includes a watermark. I assume you already know how to deal with that. The next platform is Domo AI. Search for Domo AI and you'll find their website. Once you're on the website, sign in with your account.
After reaching the website, click on Home, then scroll down. As you scroll, you'll find Talking Avatar. Click on it. It'll ask you to upload your photo. Just like before, upload your photo using the Upload option. I'm uploading this photo. Then upload the audio as well. You can record directly if you want, but I'm uploading an audio file. Now the audio has been uploaded too. If you want to add a prompt, you can do so. Otherwise, a prompt isn't required. Even without a prompt, it'll generate a video for you. Anyway, I'm clicking Generate. The video generation will start. It uses 15 credits for this. You'll receive a total of 30 free credits. The video has already been generated in Domo AI. Let's take a look. As you can see, the results are pretty good. Even hand movements are included. Now, let's move on to the next platform. The next platform is called DupDub. Search for DupDub AI. Once you search, you'll find the website app.dupdub.com. Open it and sign in using your Google account. On the first page itself, you'll see an option called AI Avatar. Click on it. You'll then get the option to upload your photo. Just upload a photo. After uploading, you can type your script here. You can also select a voice from the available options. If you want to use your own voice instead, click Upload, then click Upload again. You'll get the option to upload your voice. Upload it. After that, you'll see the Generate Talking Avatar option. Click on it. It will show you how many credits will be used. In my case, it only uses 1 credit. Credit usage may vary depending on the length of your audio. Anyway, click Generate. The video generation will start. The video is now ready. Let's play it and see how it looks. If you want to download the video, click the 3 dots and choose Download Video. Then the video will be downloaded. Let's move on to the next platform. The next platform we're going to look at is Google Flow. Search for Google Flow on Google and you'll find the website. Open it and sign in using any Google account. After signing in, click on New Project. Once you've done that, the first thing you should do is change the model. Change the model to video mode, then select Ingredients. Choose the aspect ratio and set the video duration you want. It'll also ask how many videos you want to generate. It's better to select one so your credits don't get used up quickly. After that, upload your photo. Click the plus button, then select Upload Media. Choose your photo, and then click Add to Prompt. After that, enter a prompt. You can simply write, "This person's saying," followed by the dialogue you want. Then click the Send button. The video generation process will begin. The video has already been generated in Google Flow. Let's play it. "Hi, how are you?" "I'm fine." We got a pretty good result there as well. So that's how you can generate talking avatar videos for free. We've only discussed some of the free platforms available. If you know any other platforms that are better than these, mention them in the comments below. That way, it'll be useful for others too. Also, let us know which platform you liked the most. I hope you found this video useful. Please leave your genuine opinion about this video in the comments. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel.